एफर्मेशन एंड इट्स पावर, सकारात्मक सोच की आदत और सकारात्मक सोच का जादू. इट्स एन पावरफुल टेक्निक टू ट्रांसफॉर्म लाइफ एंड हेल्थ. Whatever a person wants to do, be, have, whatever one's desire, it's possible through affirmations. Successful people use it to develop a personal power, have a competitive edge, and create whatever they want. It's basically a process of creation. And things can be created by a person because things have been created by people. And even we can create things through affirmation. Now, this is a 5-step process. To get the results, these 5 steps are to be followed. Now, what are these 5 steps? Let us see in brief, in short. The number 1 is install a powerful affirmation in the mind. We will be having its script later on. A powerful affirmation that you believe in, that you should believe in. That is the second point. First, install a powerful affirmation, and second, believe it. Believing is receiving. सबसे पहले तो आपको एक विचार लाना है और उस विचार पे आपको नंबर 2 बिलीव करना है, भरोसा करना है. अगर आप भरोसा करेंगे तभी वो होगा, अगर भरोसा नहीं करेंगे तो कभी नहीं होगा. विजुअलाइज इट, द थर्ड स्टेप. आई वुड से नॉट विजुअलाइज, एक्चुअलाइज इट. कल्पना कीजिए कि वो आज हो चुका है आपके साथ, तो कल्पना में आपको रहने का है कि ये हो चुका है. इमेजिन दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी अटेन्ड इट with a feeling of joy, happiness, excitement. Live with it at present, right now, in the moment. That feeling is so important. And then number 4, take massive action. Do what it takes, just start. Breakthroughs will happen. There are endless possibilities for anything to happen. We have seen when we go in to do some work with passion, some situations happen, we meet certain people and our work gets done. That happens to everybody, and it will happen to you, it will happen to me. And the 5th and the last step is being ready to receive, because this receiving process has to happen. The time that it takes is the kind of belief that we have, but it has to happen. It will take more time or less time depending upon the person's belief and other 4 steps that we have seen. Now we'll be talking about this affirmation in a simple way, and we'll be seeing some 6 affirmations which could be of help to us. We'll be seeing it for confidence, आत्मविश्वास के लिए हम देखने वाले हैं. We'll see it for our memory, याददाश्त कैसे बेहतर बनी रहे. We'll see it for the money, पैसे के बारे में हमारी क्या भाव होना चाहिए. Then for the illness, if at all we have, बीमारी जिससे हमें बाहर निकलना है. We'll be also seeing it for abundance, प्रचुरता जो हमारी लाइफ में होनी चाहिए, जिंदगी में होनी चाहिए. और डर, fear, which everybody is afraid of. And we'll be doing affirmation for all these things. A small sentence, if we do this affirmation on a daily basis, while we are praying to the God, it's going to help us in the time to come.